Good morning, ma'am, sir. We are the proponents of North Book and Coffee. I am Perleja and Orosco together with Toad Payot, Daniel Naquila, and followed by Wilkame Palat. We, the proponents, wanted to establish a business concerning coffee, donated books, and good place for meetings. Since we have noticed that here in the city of Panabo, there's not much coffee shops that offer free books to read during your stay. So what is coffee? Coffee is a brewed drink obtained by mixing or extracting in water the soluble components, while a cafe is a restaurant which typically serves a coffee or tea. So, here is the list of our business goals and objectives that we want to follow. To maintain a high quality of coffee is our main goal. The business is located at Quezon Street, Barangay Santo Niño, Panabo City, Davao del Norte. It will be located where most people go to buy their needs and is accessible for everyone. A short background of the business is that it will be a standard and licensed cafe that will offer a high quality of coffee and donated books.
Methodology, operation and procedure. Market profile. The whole North Bookstore Cafe purchasing community serves its geographical region. Selling price. Sales prices for the items sold by the coffee shop will start at 40 pesos. 149.50 pesos is the highest price at the coffee shop. Competitions. Management feels that it must be clearly specified that they do not intend to contend directly with the rivals. General competitive practice. Entrepreneurs will be able to adapt seamlessly when they see new prospects to beat the competition to the next outstanding market model. Program analysis of marketing strategies. Geographic segmentation strategy. In certain cases, developers are narrowly attacking new local regions or areas by using geographic segmentation. Psychographic strategy. Several various forms of segmenting. Demand along these sections. Demographic segmentation strategy. The entrepreneur's goal is to figure out which people and who they are.
Promotion and advertising. The entrepreneurs will promote and advertise the business using social media platforms. They will still use conventional promotional tools such as newspaper or radio. Customer ratings is also critical in promotions. Moving on the product specification, the North Bookstore and Cafe would like to offer a wide range of coffee to the residents of Panabo. Next, the machinery and equipment needed in the cafe are coffee maker, espresso machine, coffee grinders, blender, freezer, POS system and website, and measuring spoon and cup. Following, the store will be located at Quezon Street, Barangay Santo Niño, Panabo City, Davao del Norte. Next is building and facilities. The interior design is specially designed for a nostalgic look and cozy and warm place to read a book and sip a coffee. The exterior design is like a coffee shop in the 90s where people stayed most of the times. And lastly, the production cost. To manufacture the company's commodity, the raw materials will cost around 11,002 pesos in all, which is fine for a week. For machinery and supplies, the overall expense is 65,895 pesos.
The budget, as you can see in the first table, shows the total project cost of the business. The raw materials is 11,002 pesos. Equipments and machineries reached 65,895 pesos. Building and bills cost 12,500 pesos per month. So the total project cost for raw materials, equipments and machineries, building and bills is 89,397 pesos. Second table is the capital investment. It shows the total amount of each expenses. The capital investment of the business is 120,000 pesos and minus the total amount of expenses worth 89,397 pesos. So the remaining capital investment is 30,063 pesos. Lastly, the third table is the pre-operating cash flow. It shows the cash flow of the business in the next 3 years. In the first year, it will have an estimated income of 6 million pesos minus the expenses. In this second year, and it will have an estimated income of 6 8,500,000 pesos. And lastly, for year 3 with an estimated income of 7 million pesos minus the expenses.